The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for west central Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Molalla, or 12 miles south of Oregon City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Molalla around 3:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is right in the center.